got me feeling some kind of way.
Arab beauty secrets have been passed down for generations and are often rooted in natural remedies, ancient traditions, and a focus on holistic wellness. Here are some of the most well-known Arab beauty secrets. 1. Argan oil. Known as liquid gold, argan oil from Morocco is famous for its nourishing and hydrating properties. It's used to treat dry skin, hair, and nails, as well as to prevent signs of aging. 2. Rose water. A staple in many Arab beauty routines, rose water is used for its calming and hydrating effects on the skin. It helps balance skin's pH, reduce redness, and tone the complexion. 3. Black seed oil, Nigella sativa. Known as a cure-all, this oil is used for various purposes, from promoting hair growth to treating acne and even improving overall skin health. 4. Henna. Used to dye hair, as well as for body art, henna is also known for its conditioning properties. It helps strengthen hair, adding shine and volume. 5. Olive oil. Olive oil is widely used for its moisturizing and anti-aging properties. It is applied to the skin to prevent wrinkles and dryness and is also used in hair treatments. 6. Honey and milk masks. Honey has natural antibacterial and moisturizing properties, while milk is a gentle exfoliator. Together, they are used in face masks to brighten and hydrate the skin. 7. Cleansing with clay. Moroccan Rasoul clay is a popular treatment for detoxifying the skin. It's known for its ability to cleanse, remove impurities, and improve skin elasticity. 8. Mint tea. Drinking mint tea is a common beauty practice, as it's believed to help with digestion, promote clear skin, and detoxify the body. 9. Saffron. Known for its brightening effects, saffron is often used in face masks or as an ingredient in oils to help lighten skin tone and treat pigmentation issues. 10. Kohl. A traditional form of eyeliner made from crushed minerals, kohl is used not just for enhancing beauty but also for its believed ability to protect the eyes from infection and improve eyesight. These natural remedies often emphasize simplicity, consistency, and care with natural ingredients.